Hello everyone, welcome to any video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. A short update before we close the day. So what happened for Bitcoin? We see some higher prices again, more ranges. So we have to be careful, guys. Of course, the bullish scenario is still there. Don't forget, we still in the range of a bullish scenario as well, knowing that there is a lot of bearish horizon and clouds, but 1 2 1 2 and then 1 2 and probably 1 2, and now what's going on? Several 1 2s. That's too much, right? You would like to see it's time for an impulse, like if you are in 1 2 and 1 2 and then 3, if 4 invalidation, and then what is that? And a third 1 2, that's too much. If you are in 1 2 3 4, you cannot call it as well, because interfering. And so what is this? This is a third 1 2? That's becoming too much, I would say. Now on the 15-minute chart, you can see, of course, this is an impulse, definitely. Okay, so it is an impulse, probably finished, but I mean, as a 1 2 3 4 and a 5, or it can be 1 2 3 4 as an expanding flat and moving for one more leg toward the downside. But even if this one more leg finished, okay, if you finished an impulse, like how many impulses? 1 2 1 2 1 2, triple 1 2s again. After triple 1 2s in a bigger view. So we have 1 2 1 2, and then the leading diagonal, and then triple 1 2s inside. It's a little bit questionable. We have to be careful with it. We have to be careful. It's of course it is very bearish. That means very, very bearish. But we have to be careful from it. A lot of 1 2s it start to be questionable. You would like to see the impulse and finishing this. Otherwise, you are still inside the range of bullish scenario. 1 2 or W, X, and a Y, where you have your wave Y a triangle. And you are probably in a wave E here to finish this triangle. Your invalidation of this triangle is taking the low from the wave C. If the wave E takes this low price at 94,192, then therefore, the bullish has a lower chance to unfold. That because your triangle, which it was supposed to be finishing a WXY and moving for higher, has been invalidated. And that means, of course, continuation toward the downside. But if this do not happen, and we don't get to this area, to this price, therefore you have to always consider bullish scenario in case you see this price action. 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation for higher prices. Okay, so we have to be careful because we are already in the finished ABCDE, finished triangle, and finished wave 4 probably, guys, and finished wave Y. All of these have finished so far. Probably even one more leg, because we saw this impulse as I showed you on the 15-minute chart. One more leg and then moving impulsively. Okay, so we have to be careful with it. KGT on the 5-minute chart, we have a bullish divergence, right, starting up here, but not really strong. But it can be followed by a bearish one. And of course, that opened a question mark. So be careful with it, with our possibilities between bullish and bearish. Taking this price, meaning very bearish, of course. And might be, of course, that these are triple 1 2s. What can we say, right? Then triple 1 2s formation, but already have big triple 1 2s. So be careful. I mean, I see that the price action is, of course, going explosive, upside or downside. Very soon it should be. If we are very, very bearish with these 1 2s, then it should be. If we are finished here with a WXY with a very complicated correction with this triangle, then it should be bullish toward the upside, guys. One of them should work. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.